It ought to be impossible to describe a creature as looking old-fashioned, but that's exactly how Sirocco looks, with his big sideburns and his Victorian gentleman's face.
It's actually nice just seeing him wandering around in the forest undergrowth.
You can see he's got very good camouflage.
He has. That colour is incredible.
So, you know, evolution hasn't entirely rendered him useless.
Hello. You're going to look in the lens.
A typical male, Sirocco is clearly only interested in one thing.
Hello.
Oh, look at that.
Ow. God, he's got sharp claws.
He's getting a bit frisky.
Ow. Ow.
Do you think it is he's actually attempting a sort of mating ritual? He is. Oh, must. You are being shagged.
Or not. Ow. God, it's sharp.
Look, he's so happy.
Sorry, but one of the funniest things I've ever seen. You are being shagged by a rare parrot. He thinks you are.
Ow! And he's really going for it. Wow, you've chosen him? Is it actually, you were in pain, aren't you?
That's all right.
Oh, his neck is covered.
Am I? He's fine, but it's really
Okay,
sharp
did that
claws.
hurt?
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, you've got blood there and blood there and blood there. We should patch you up, to be honest, because it's not good, but...
Well...
I want you to call the chick. When you have the chick, I want you to call it Stephen for me. Would you do that?
I'm not sure how to take that.
Egg will come out of your mouth. Ladies and gentlemen, you've seen the television first. You've seen Mark Carwardine, who has devoted his life to conserving animals, actually taking an active part in the conservation and breeding of a whole new generation, of a whole new species, Homo cacapens. He's going to give birth to a little kakapo. We're very proud of you.
Do you want to have a go?
I think I'll pass, actually.